Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guys, this is Patrol Officer Fpsc 2006 paper. Question number 1. Monjidoro is located in Sindh. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757. Hayat-e Jaweed was written by Altaf Hussain Haji, who founded the Muslim Educational Conference in 1886. It was Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan, who was the Viceroy of India on the eve of the partition of Bengal. Lord Curzon was the Viceroy of India during 1905. The first Constitution of Pakistan came into operation in 23rd March 1956. Who was the chairman of Boundary Commission in 1947? Sir Cyril Radcliffe. Who became the governor of Pakistan after the Khwaja Nazimuddin Ghulam Muhammad? The Qaid-e-Azam joined the Muslim League in 1913. Pakistan is located in the tropic zone of North. The country situated in the east of Pakistan is India. Pakistan became the member of United Nations on 30 September 1947. One of the main objections of All India Muslim League at the time of its creation was to be loyal to the Indian British government. Arya Samaj was founded in 1875. The Anjuman-e-Himayat-e-Islam was founded in 1884. Very popular MCQs. Why Qaid-e-Azam launched Direct Action Day on August 16, 1946 to protest against breach of the pledge by Viceroy F.M. Lord Wavell. Qaid-e-Azam resigned from membership of the Congress in 1920. Who had the shortest tenure as Governor General? Qaid-e-Azam. Liaquat Nehru was announced at Delhi in April 1950. Liaquat Nehru fact. The longest river in the world is Nile. Nile is situated in Egypt. Biggest desert of the world is Sahara Desert, which is in Africa. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Light year is a unit of distance. How many bones are there in human body? 206. While in newborn baby there are 300 bones. Cusic is unit of water flow. Cusic. The city which is also known as City of Canals is Venice. It's situated in Europe, France. The border separating Pakistan and Afghanistan is known as Durand Line. The largest ocean of the world is the Pacific Ocean, which is in the west side of the America and between America and Asia. The UNO was founded in the year 1945. And which year did Barack Obama receive the Nobel Prize for Peace? In 2009. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. The capital of Australia is Canberra. Boxing Day is celebrated in Australia on December 26. The national flower of Pakistan is jasmine. National animal of Pakistan is markhor. Currency of Indonesia is rupiah. The largest island of the world is Greenland. Greenland is the largest island of the world, which is situated between Canada and Europe. KPPSC is the national airline of Hong Kong. The old name of Myanmar was Burma. The old man of and the scenes written by Ernest Hemingway. It's an English novel which is also included in the BS syllabus of Punjab University. The Old Man and the Sea. We have been waiting for 2 hours. We visited them yesterday. See that you come for the meeting in time. They will come if we ask them. He will deaf to all your request. मतलब नहीं सुनेगा. Regular exercise is beneficial with health. Are you conscious of your responsibility in this matter? We regret that we cannot comply with your request. The PhD degree was conferred on him, conferred on to him at the convocation. Ethnic, entice, repel, metal, cowardly, microscope, macroscope, absurd, rational, medium, great amount, imperious, proud, luxuriant, beautiful, memorable, worth remembering, impose, enforce, alter, change. These are the meaning and synonym of these words. Spain literally means land of rabbits. The only country within a country is a Vatican City. Who wrote Hamlet? Hamlet was written by Shakespeare. Who wrote Paradise Lost? Milton. Milton Friedman. Milton wrote Paradise Lost. Which city is located in two continents? Russia. Istanbul. They are talking about city, not country. Istanbul, a city of Turkey, is located in Asia as well as in Europe. The Qaid-e-Azam presented his famous Putin point on 31st March 1929. ATM means automatic teller machine. Who presented the law of falling bodies? Newton. Point out the correct spelling. Schedule. Point out the correct spelling. Schizophrenia. CPU is abbreviation of Central Processor Unit. Shakespeare belonged to 16th century and he belonged to England. Lionel Messi is a famous footballer. Lionel Messi. UK is the abbreviation of United Kingdom. NATO is the abbreviation of North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Where the Pakistan first radio station was set up? It was in Karachi. While Peshawar radio station was already there during the establishment of Pakistan. Nairobi is the capital of Kenya. Gorbachev was the president of USSR. Riyal is the currency of Saudi Arabia. The foreign minister of Pakistan is Shah Mahmood Qureshi. How many other sons did Prophet Yaqub have in addition to Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam? Total 12 sons. How many Asmaul Husna are mentioned in the last two verses of Surah Al-Hashr? 11 Asmaul Husna. Which important event mentioned in the Quran occurred 1 year before Hijrah in Mecca? Abu Lahab's death. How old was the Prophet when his mother died? 6-year-old. Which ayah of Quran confirmed that Islamic religion is the complete religion? Al-Ma'idah ayah 3. In which battle was the Prophet, peace be upon him, uncle Hamza killed? Uhud. Which major event took place in the second Hijrah year in the month of Ramadan? Battle of Badr. Who was called the Sword of Allah? Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu. Sword of Allah, Hazrat Khalid bin Walid, and Hazrat Ali was Lion of Allah. Who amongst the mother of the believer was nicknamed Ummul Masakin, mother of poor? Hazrat Zainab binte Khuzima radiallahu anha. Who was called Tahira, pure among the mother of the believer radiallahu anha? Hazrat Khadija radiallahu anha was called Tahira. Who built the Quba Mosque, the house of Allah? Prophet, peace be upon him, built Quba Mosque. Which is the first mosque of Islam whose foundation was laid by Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him? Mosque of Quba. How many chapter and verses are there in the Holy Quran? 114 chapter and 6,666 verses. But ayah, but in some books the number of ayah is different from these figures. So don't be confused. The first surah in the Holy Quran is Surah Al-Fatiha. The total number of Makki surah are 86. The number of prophet whose name are mentioned in the Holy Quran is 25. The name of the sixth kalma is Kalma Rad Kufr. Kitab al-Kharaj, a book of fiqh, was written by Imam Abu Yusuf. Kitab al-Kharaj, Imam Abu Yusuf. The Treaty of Hudaybiyah was signed in 6 Hijri. Who was the commander of the infidels, Mushrikeen, in the battle of Uhud? Abu Sufyan. So guys, this was the end of the lecture. For the upcoming patrol officer test, the syllabus is little bit changed from this paper. The new syllabus is 20% English, which is purely consists of grammar. There will be no vocabulary or idiom, and 20% mathematics, 20% current affair, 20% everyday sense, 10% Islamic study, and 10% Pakistan study. But remember a secret: the English portion in these papers are very much necessary, and it is compulsory to score at least 12 MCQs out of 20 in the English portion. Otherwise, you will be considered failed. So guys, for such type of more lecture, subscribe my channel and like this video.